This is the start of the 1 week Thai intensive workshop.
Yeah.
And it's lunchtime on the Monday, and they can already read all the consonants or the vowels. So how far have you got on lunchtime?
This morning what we've done is we've covered the most basic consonants, the most commonly used consonants. There's about 20 of them. And then what we started to do with just those 20 consonants, a couple of those consonants are also used as vowels. So already we can use those letters to read some very simple words that are made up of about 3 letters. And they are now able to read a few hundred very simple Thai words just out of this morning's workshop. By Wednesday, they'll have covered most of the letters that are used in everyday Thai, not the obscure letters, and most of the vowels, which will allow them to start reading simple texts like a children's story or a song or the menu. All the work that we need to do is done here and now in the workshop. The idea is that once we finish the workshop, you go home and just simply relax, switch off your mind and do something completely different. Because most of your learning is actually going to happen during the night while you're sleeping, during the dream phase. That's when your mind organizes the material that we've learned the day before, discards information that you don't want to remember, and retains the information that you do want to remember. And the final 2 days is really practicing and integrating everything that we've learned in the previous 4 days. First of all, the concept of learning to read before you can speak, even though it's counterintuitive, actually helps in the long run, because it means you can start to pronounce the words accurately right from the word go, and you can start picking up the vocabulary from your environment, because you can really see what the words are and pronounce them and understand their meanings from the context. And the second thing is you should just try it yourself online here and now to see if the concept works, and already you can learn an awful lot just by going online and doing the videos. And if you really want to do more, come to the workshop. If you want to do it by yourself, it's available online to do by yourself. You don't really have to come to the workshop if you don't want to. It's the lazy people, or the people who find themselves procrastinating, or, to be kind, the people who are really, really busy and don't want to work by themselves. They come here. It's a aerobics class where we actually do the work here in the class in a nice, comfortable social environment with lots of jokes and songs and stories and nice food to eat and coffee and a good time.